Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can verify your account in Betfair, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account in Betfair and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface of Betfair apps on the screen, where you can see profile icon at top right corner. Just tap over there and you'll be redirected to the my account section, where you need to scroll a little bit down unless you find the account details, where just down below it you'll be able to see verify my account option. Just tap on it and you'll be redirected to the verify my account section, where you can see three ID options. You can choose any of them, and finally click on continue to secure uploads on in the screen just down below it, and you will be redirected to the another section where you need to start your verification. And once your verification is completed, you will be able to verify your account in Betfair. So basically this is how you can verify your account in Betfair, and if you still encounter an issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.